So this is the page as we had last seen it, except that I have now added in a bunch of extra heading and paragraphs and list tags. This part of the content set itself up to be a list. So what I've done, I've said UL, which is unordered list, bullet point list, /UL. So this is all defined as being a list, and then each one of these is a list item, etc. So what this now looks like is this bullet point list item. You should be able to see the match between that and that. Now this is all great, I think, but I should always validate my HTML. So I'm going to go back to here, and I gave you a link right here. Click this link. This is the markup validation service and the W3C, and these people, if anyone, are in charge of the internet. So I'm going to go into VS Code and I'm going to go Control A, which is select all, Control C to copy, and I'm going to paste into this validate by direct input. I link directly to it. Control V and check. And this will tell me if there are any errors in my code. Now there aren't any errors as such because they would be red, but there is this warning here because unfortunately this page doesn't quite give you the perfect HTML. But we've got a message we can read, we can click on the links and we can understand what it works. But basically we need to say what language our page is in, and we're going to go English. So I'm going to copy this lang equals N, English N, and I'm going to go right here, and this HTML, I'm going to go space lang equals N. So your HTML should always look like this. So again, Control A, Control C, back into here. I'm going to go back, Control A, delete, and Control V, and check that. Green bar of goodness. We're happy with that. Last thing I'm going to do in this video. At the moment, I have no indentation. In computing, very often we use indentation to organize and make our code easier to read. Good news is that VS Code does this automatically for you. If you just right-click and go Format Document, what this shows us now is nesting. So for instance, we can see that the head contains the title because that's one level of indentation, one tab in. And we can see as well here, the body shows you this line all the way down to the /body that contains the whole page. And I can see how this UL contains the list items and so on. So it's just a nice, when you get used to it, this makes it much easier to spot mistakes with what you've done. Okay, so shouldn't make any difference to what we've got though. If I go back to here and refresh, everything looks the same.